let's learn how to turn off notifications on Instagram. Are you tired of constant notifications interrupting your day on Instagram? It's time to take control and regain your peace of mind. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, open Instagram app on your device. After that, go on your profile by tapping on little icon of your profile in bottom right corner of the screen. Now you are on your profile and tap on this 3 horizontal lines in top right corner of the screen. That will open the side menu and go on Settings and Privacy. Next, you see this notifications option and go on it. Now you need to manually turn off all of these options. I will do on first one to show you how to do that. Also, you can pause all notifications on some period, that is easiest way, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.